Get yourself in the ring, son, or you're gonna get hit. Different attacks requires different defense. Dodge attacks by pressing left or right on the control stick. Duck attacks by pressing down on the control stick. Block certain attacks by holding up on the control stick. Remember, a good defense leads to a good offense. Keep it up, Max. Keep it up. If you get hit, all your punches are blocked. You're going to tire out. Avoid your opponent's attacks to regain some hearts. Catch your opponent off guard and seize the opportunity. It's all about timing, son. When you have a star, you can throw your star punch. To throw a star punch, hold the A button and move the Wii remote forward. Now, kid, it's time to show the world you got what it takes to be a champ.